and welcome. In this tutorial, we will be discussing integrating AI ops with cloud environments. Whether you've heard about artificial intelligence for IT operations, or AI ops, or you're familiar with cloud environments like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Today we'll combine these two exciting technologies. We'll explore how AI ops enhances cloud management and why this integration is becoming a game changer for businesses of all sizes. Let's get started. As businesses transition to the cloud, IT teams encounter challenges such as increased complexity, massive data volumes, and the dynamic nature of cloud resources, all of which complicate monitoring and management. By integrating AI ops into cloud environments, organizations can streamline management through automation, enhance efficiency with real-time data analysis, maintain reliability by proactively addressing issues, and optimize costs by identifying underutilized resources. Now, let's break down how businesses integrate AI ops with their cloud systems. Integrating AI ops with cloud environments involves several steps to enhance efficiency and reliability. Businesses start by choosing an AI ops platform compatible with their cloud providers such as AWS CloudWatch, Azure Monitor, Google Cloud Operations Suite, or third-party tools like Dynatrace and Datadog. Cloud resources including virtual machines and containers are then connected to the platform using built-in connectors or application program interface, APIs. Monitoring and alert rules are also configured to track critical metrics, enabling AI ops to detect anomalies and provide actionable insights. Next, automation features are activated to handle routine tasks like scaling resources or restarting services, with workflows tested to ensure reliability. Over time, the platform continuously learns from historical data, requiring regular review and fine-tuning to align with business objectives. A great example of AI ops integration in a cloud environment is a holiday sale on an e-commerce platform hosted on AWS. AI ops can detect traffic spikes in real time, forecasts further increases, and automatically scales resources to maintain performance. After the sale, it optimizes costs by shutting down underutilized servers, ensuring high customer satisfaction and cost efficiency. To recap, in this tutorial, we covered the following. We explored how AI ops, artificial intelligence for IT operations, enhances cloud management across platforms. We also discussed why this integration is important and how AI ops is integrated into cloud environments. In conclusion, combining AI ops with cloud environments creates a powerful solution for modern IT management. Together, they enable organizations to deliver seamless performance, reduce costs, and staying competitive in the fast-paced digital landscape. Before you go, take your learning to the next level. Click the link in the description to access this lesson inside the MotivaLogic Academy Learning Management System. There, you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on labs, and real-world projects designed to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore our full catalog of advanced, hands-on courses and downloadable resources, all created to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Ready to gain real industry experience? Work on practical projects, collaborate with other professionals, and build a strong GitHub portfolio that sets you apart and accelerates your career. Click the work experience link in the description below to register your interest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And turn on notifications so you never miss a future lesson. Thank you for watching.